Today we're gonna test some of the robot vacuum mop combos. A lot of people have been asking me to test these for you guys and give like a good thorough review. So I ordered a bunch of them. We have some low end, mid tier, and then we have some really high end ones. At first I was kind of like, how much can these things do? But I actually was gifted one a couple of months ago that's like a really like high-end, the Lamborghini version of it, and I'm actually really impressed with what it's done in my house and like how much it's helped me. But I wanted to be able to compare them to some of the like lower, that one can be like the barometer, the top of the line one that we're gonna use.
For too long. Task ending.
Yeah,
Is it going home?
It's okay. Yeah, let's see if it's going home. Let's let him drive away.
Uh-oh.
This one's like driving around. Okay, hold on, we gotta shut it off. We're gonna use my fancy expensive one as kind of like the top tier to test the rest of these ones across because I've been using mine for a couple months. But the cool thing that I'm gonna do is all of my staff are gonna take one of these home after this, and then we're also gonna like do our findings with the mapping, battery life, and we'll put it all out there for you guys to view. Okay, it's been a whole entire month since we did the robot vacuum testing, and my staff took them home for a whole month. We just made sure that they didn't like fling themselves down the stairs, wanted to check out the mapping on different layouts and also just like battery life and how well they did. So it was actually a really good way to review them because some of them were not up to snuff. Okay, so here is the breakdown. In first place, we have the Dream. In second place, we have the Narwhal. And in third place, we have the EUFY, which like, I'm a little bit surprised how these ranked. The Narwhal and the Dream ended up being like really like by a hair, you guys. So both of those vacuums are going to be good purchases for the vacuum mount combo. Like it was like a 1.1 or 2 point difference, I think. So in the ranking system that we created for this vacuum testing, if you want to see the full breakdown, we're gonna have detailed slides on each vacuum so you guys can watch them at the end of this video. Honestly, this was such a fun test. I've had a robot vacuum mop combo since like December 2025, and I'm actually really, I didn't really believe in them, but I'm really surprised at how much it's made my life like a lot easier. So I'm glad to test these for you guys. It's like interesting to see what new robots are gonna come out to help us. We just need like a legit Rosie from the Jetsons. Also, in case you forgot, we're kicking off our spring cleaning challenge, which is a free spring cleaning challenge where you can have a chance to win $5,000 plus like you're gonna just get this free download that's gonna help you clean your house. It's like a checklist, a to-do list. It keeps you on schedule, so you do absolutely everything inside out, top to bottom in your house, so you're ready for spring. Well, so you're done spring cleaning really, and you can go on and live your life for the summer. And on this video, I'm giving away a EUFY, the third place winner. We're giving them away on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. But in order to win this one, you have to comment your Instagram handle. Has to be your Instagram handle, you guys, in the comments below for a chance to win. You have until April 1st at 11:59 p.m. to enter. And if you want a chance to win the Dream or the Narwhal, you can go over to our Instagram and Facebook pages. Follow us everywhere, you guys. I'm churning out content all over the place. It's actually quite exhausting. You gotta follow us on all platforms to get in on the goodies. Good luck, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.